Hi, this is a sample demo app that I've built where I have integrated TD Ameritrade's OAuth2 flow into my app. My objective here is to link my TD Ameritrade brokerage account with a custom app that I have built so that I can make REST API calls to TD Ameritrade. I have automated the process of generating authorization tokens so that I spend less time reauthorizing my trading account every 30 minutes and more time losing my abysmal savings buying obscure pharma stocks that are researching microbiome metabolic therapies. On the right hand side of the page, there is a button called Fetch Accounts. When I click on this button, the application tells me that it did not fetch my accounts. It tells me that this is because I do not have any valid access tokens. If I had valid access tokens, it would have appeared in the tokens region. Since there are no tokens here, expired or otherwise, it means that I have not linked my app to my TD Ameritrade account yet. When I scan my eyes to the left, I see a giant obvious button with an instruction next to it which asks me to click on it to link my TD Ameritrade account with this app and to generate access tokens. I comply. This immediately transports me to the TD Ameritrade OAuth consent login screen. I log in. It asks me for consent to give access to perform these activities. I consent. I am transported back to my app where I sign in and voila, the system now has an access token and a refresh token, both of which are set to expire soon. I hit on fetch accounts and voila again, it fetched my TD Ameritrade account details, which includes my current positions, all of which are a deep shade of misery and anguish. In certain circles, this is referred to as loss porn. If I look over to my access token, I can see that it is set to expire in about less than 30 minutes. I will now stare at my screen emptily for 30 minutes. Hi, I am back. I did not manage to stay still and stare at my screen for 30 minutes. Instead, in those 30 minutes, I somehow managed to dig myself deeper into despair, still chasing the dream of cures for all the uncurable conditions known to humankind. Maybe MMT was nothing more than a flicker of a candle that was set to burn out into a wisp of smoke before its story even began. Maybe the reason it managed to shine so brightly was because of the empty darkness that has engulfed our world in recent years. Maybe chicken soup is all we really have. When I look back at my tokens, I see that my access token has expired. Let me try to fetch my accounts from TD Ameritrade again. As you can see, even though my access token has expired, I managed to get my account details. As my application tried to make a REST API call, it realized that my access token has expired. It automatically used the refresh token to generate a new access token, after which it used the new access token to make the API call. Similarly, when the refresh token is about to expire, the application would automatically refresh the refresh token as well. The whole automated authentication flowchart looks like this. I have put this diagram along with instructions on how to work with TD Ameritrade's OAuth flow in a new blog post. Details are in the description. Have a fantastic day.